A very good evening. Namaste. We welcome you all once again to the Global Wedding Network Know Your Members series. I am Niti Jain, a professional MC from Chennai. I do all kind of events from a small celebration to a corporate event to wedding, and also most importantly a very proud member of the Global Wedding Network. So, for all of you who are watching this for the first time, I'll just quickly let you know what is Global Wedding Network and what is this Know Your Members series. If you have a wedding at home, there are 100 things to take care of. Actually, you can say even 1,000, from sweets to gifts to clothes to makeup artists, venue, decor, sound, music, entertainment, and the list goes on. But you don't have to worry because Global Wedding Network, with their teamwork, makes your dream work. Yes, you heard it right. So, they aim is worldwide wedding business owners together. They want to grow. And a very interesting term that they have come up with is collaboration. So that is collaborative competition, collaboration about competition. So basically, Global Wedding Network is a good friend during good times and a mentor during bad times. So with that, this is a great initiative which is Know Your Members, through which all the members of Global Wedding Network as well as the viewers can get to know our member and their work really well. So today we are going to interview someone. Actually, today we are going to interview designer, entrepreneur, artist, and a social worker. Don't worry, we are not interviewing four different people. We are interviewing a single individual who does all the four things, and she's the Iron Lady, Mrs. Mridula Sangal. A very, very warm welcome to you, madam. So, how are you feeling?
Thank you, Niti, to introducing me. And I'm really feeling awesome, like you from Chennai, going to take my interview. I'm really excited to give that.
So that's the beauty of this platform, connecting anywhere people all around the globe. And
Yes.
today, Mridula ji is representing her brand name Collar, which is a bespoke wear brand. And a very interesting thing, I am very excited for this interview because this brand exists in the fashion and clothing industry for the past 20 years. Yes, so today we're going to hear a lot about 20 years of experience, work, and hard work. So, to start with, Mridula ji, if you could just tell me, like, how did this brand come to your mind? And just out of curiosity, why the name Collar?
Yes, Niti. Actually, I started my brand in 2017. So, and that the name collar is, I feel collar is, a symbol of personality of the garment. So that's why I want to keep my brand's name Collar. And in under the label of Collar, you can design lots of things. And designing is my passion and creativity. So I can create lots of things under the name of Collar. And it's a unisex word also. So men, women, children wear whatever I want to design with what type of apparel I can do under the label of Collar. So that's why I keep it my brand's name Collar.
Wow, like that is so thoughtful, I should rather say, because when I heard the name Caller, I would have never thought of, the thought behind what you had in your mind, which is really wonderful. So I want to know that how did you decide to do this clothing? Like, how did this thought of doing bespoke clothing, I would say, like, and that to catering to everybody. So how did that thought come to your mind?
Yeah, bespoke I do because I love create designing. So if I was into ready-made garments, so I have specific designs and I can display on my window. But no, when I'm attending different clients, different minds of a clients, different shape of a clients, and different type of events they want to wear my garment. So then I daily I have to create a new design for them. So, and creativity and designing is my passion. So that's why I came into bespoke thing, so that I can improve my creativity also. daily you have to मतलब आप एक ना एक दिन रोज एक चीज सीखने को मिलती ही है आपको. Yeah, with a different shape, with the different events, with the different weather, with the different lights, with the different colors. So lots of things are there to play. So and I love doing creativity, so that is the reason I come into bespoke.
That's really wonderful actually. And the fact that you told that every day is a new learning is something a very beautiful thing, I would rather say. So 20 years is definitely not a short time at all. I can imagine the experiences that you would have had, the ups and downs you would have had. So if you could just throw some light on these ups and downs that you faced, and how did you handle and tackle them?
Yeah, sure. See, since 20 years, like I'm a designer and I'm a creative person since my childhood, right? So मैं बचपन से ही like I love do designing and all. So then I started कि let's make career to it. So then I started my career in the designing. So then first thing like I asked my daughter advised me. She saw ki daily I'm creating something this, something that. For my children, I create lots of designs. For my husband, I create lots of designs for my own saris and dresses. So then they said, कि mom, start this as a career. It's high time. आप इसको career की तरह शुरू करो. And then I thought कि अच्छा ठीक है चलो. Then I studied in Manasthili Vidyapeeth. So वहाँ से फिर मैंने होम साइंस एंड ड्राइंग में मैंने वहाँ पे एमए किया हुआ है. बट वो that is not very professionally certified thing. So then to start with, then my daughter says advise me कि you join a fashion institute college and you get a degree from there. So then I मतलब because all the I went with her, मैं गई वहाँ पे उसके साथ. And I saw तो वहाँ पे सारे उसी के एज के students थे generally. So then I thought कि नहीं यार ये तो मेरे लिए ठीक नहीं रहेगा. So then she said कि no mom, age is no bar. Then in JD Fashion Institute I went there. तो वहाँ पे फिर अंशु मैम से I met, रूपल मैम से I met there. And then one is there Amrita ma'am, so she is into pattern making garment and I want to do that course only. So they give me that confidence कि नहीं आप आओ, कोई प्रॉब्लम की बात नहीं है. You should have confidence and creativity आपके अंदर है, so you will do that. So that's my journey start from there. And I done my that fashion designing का course and I started again. Then I have hurdles क्योंकि exhibitions में exhibit करना था, so that is also not a easy task. So I stand like 10 hours I stand in a queue to get my chance to I मेरे को stall मिल जाए and I can display my stuff there and all. So but I'm a hardcore hard work person. तो एंड आई वांट कि नहीं मेरे को ये करना है तो करना है. जब सोच लिया तो नहीं आई वांट टू डिस्प्ले माय डिजाइंस. आई क्रिएट दीज एंड आई हैव टू डिस्प्ले देयर. So then मतलब lots of hurdles are there. Then under of the other designers, I make designs, I do designing, but I don't mind that also because under their label. But design is mine. My passion is there. My art, my skill, my creativity is there because I'm designing. So I love that also. So that is my 20 years ka journey, like hurdles and hurdles and hurdles. Then in two at least, then in the last in 2000, yeah, Amrita ma'am is there. So she is my teacher in JD Fashion Institute.
Wow.
So yeah. So then I started my own brand in 2017 with my partner Anju. So that is my 20 years ka journey. I crossed lots of hurdles and hurdles, but I didn't lose my heart. I didn't lose my patience. I didn't lose my passion.
There is one thing that I can very confidently say you right now, that you have become an inspiration for me. मतलब उस उम्र में आपने जाके अगर पढ़ाई की and you started something of your own and you still have so much love for your teacher, you remember them so well. Like this is something we need to learn from you for sure.
And she's
Definitely.
there, and she's there.
Exactly. I'm so
Yeah,
glad that she's here to support you also. That is so
yeah,
wonderful to see that actually. And
yeah.
I'm so glad that your daughter gave you the push. So your story is very simple. Passion, potential, प्रोफेशन, मतलब ये आपका बन गया बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से आपने उसको फॉलो किया. सो हैट्स ऑफ टू यू बिकॉज यू हैव ऑलरेडी लाइक shown us that nothing is ever impossible. Nothing is ever impossible. So that
Yeah.
is really wonderful. और एक और बात हमें पता चल गई कि मृदुला जी जो ठानती है वो करके दिखाती है. There is never looking back for her. So with that comes my बिगेस्ट एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. सो ये जो पैंडमिक है उसने सबकी जिंदगी बदल दी, मतलब सभी बिजनेस की जिंदगी, स्पेशली द वेडिंग इंडस्ट्री एंड कंसिडरिंग यू इनटू द bespoke wear. So I want to know that how and what changes is this pandemic brought to you and your business?
Yeah, Niti. Actually, I'm very busy person, और मैं खाली बैठ ही नहीं सकती. तो before pandemic, I didn't remember मैंने कब vacation लिया होएगा. I was all the time at my work. तो शुरू में, like 10-15 days, I loved it. कि ओ वाओ, रिलैक्स कर रहे हैं, घर पे हैं, छुट्टी हो गई, काम नहीं करना, नो टेंशंस, नो कारीगर को क्या काम देना है, क्या डिजाइन बनाना है, अब क्या नेक्स्ट है, but yes, after like I can say 20 days, मतलब month back, मतलब month ago, then उसके बाद मेरे को टेंशंस होनी शुरू हो गई कि रेंट भी देना है, सैलरीज भी देनी है, और जो न्यूज़पेपर में और जो गवर्नमेंट के सब व्यूज आ रहे थे कि नहीं रेंट तो देना है, बिकॉज देयर दैट इज आल्सो देयर ब्रेड एंड बटर, एंड सैलरीज भी देनी है बिकॉज दैट इज दैट योर एम्प्लॉयज ब्रेड एंड बटर. बट आई कैन मतलब से कि गवर्नमेंट ने हम लोग रिटेलर्स के लिए नहीं सोचा व्हाट इज आवर ब्रेड एंड बटर. Our bread and butter is going zero because we don't have any sale. But still, शुरू में मेरे को 1-2 दिन लगा थोड़ा डिप्रेशन टाइप, बट नहीं, देन ऐसे कि नहीं, इतना इतने सालों से करते आ रहे हैं, तो ऐसे तो यू कांट गिव अप. योर ब्रांड इज योर बेबी, तो यू हैव टू कोप अप विद इट. जैसे भी है करते हैं. So then I talked to my landlord and all. So somewhere he was okay, somewhere he was not okay. Then I thought, I discussed with my husband, and then I thought कि नहीं, ये तो इतना rent तो we can't afford. We switched from Lodi market, Mehchan market से. My showroom was there earlier. तो वहां से switch off करके, then one of my very good friend, he's there also. He's my client actually में. Then he suggested he has some place, so I can shift there for some time, and I can keep my stuff there, so I can work there. So then I say ki, okay, fine. So then I shifted there in Houses Society, and I display my stuff there. Obviously it's not a commercial place, so I can't do lots of work, but still my passion is there, my hard work is there. So by the appointments, my clients were after my life keep wo khul gaya, ab we have wedding, we have this, we have this. So acha, then again karigars are not there, master is not there. So what to do? Then again one idea came in my mind. So one of my friends, because I have a urgent ladies wear order that time. So then I called my friend, she's into ladies wear. Then I called her ki, listen, I have this thing, do you have karigar master? She says, yes, I have one. So so Menka, let's don't lose the client. We can work together. You make this for my client, and then I'll deliver to her. So she's okay for that. So one lesson, very big lesson that pandemic taught me, is collaboration. Collaboration say you can work, you can cope up, and you can do each and everything what is in your mind. If you are thinking that, so, and you have good friends, good community with good members, and you have good rapport with them, so you can work together with the collaboration, and you can cope up with any. ये तो pandemic है, छोटी सी चीज है यार. और भी कोई बड़ी problem आती है तो we will fight, and we will win the game.
It's I am so happy to hear कि आपने इस पैंडेमिक को छोटी प्रॉब्लम बना दी है. आपकी मतलब ये जो आंसर सुन के मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि यार पैंडेमिक एक्चुअली एक छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम थी, बिकॉज
Actually,
you have
yeah.
dealt with it so wonderfully, and the fact that you told collaboration over competition, I mean that's the biggest learning I felt that all of us have taken like from this pandemic. And I also believe that like you, person like you who is so hardworking and so strong mind, God opens its doors for themselves. Like God will open doors for you and find ways for you. So this is really nice, the positive approach about this
Yeah.
pandemic. Moving ahead, I would want to know that people generally ऐसे बोलते हैं that behind every successful man there is a woman, but right now in front of me there is a successful woman. So I am very curious to know who is the person behind this successful woman.
So of course, behind me, my husband is there to hold my shoulders. That's true. But again, my children also supports me a lot. क्योंकि मेरे को इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आता था. आई स्टडीड इन हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल वनस्थली विद्यापीठ. तो फिर उस वो सब कोप अप करने के लिए, एंड देन लैपटॉप चलाना नहीं आता था. ये सारी ये टेक्नोलॉजीज आजकल की जो बट आई वांट टू डू, आई वांट टू लर्न. तो उन लोगों ने मेरे को चाहे कई कई बार डांटते थे, कई बार कुछ करते थे, लेकिन बट दे सपोर्ट्स मी अ लॉट. And again, I will say ki like Anshu ma'am, Rupal ma'am, Amrita ma'am, they also, these women also, very supportive, very confident. They give me lots of confidence, to know
Wow.
age is no bar, you go ahead.
Wow.
So that's, but yeah, but last, not, but at least my husband, he all the time he's there with me. पूरा टाइम ही सेज कि नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, एंड यू डू दैट. मेरे को कहीं से कुछ फैब्रिक लेके आना है, कहीं से कोई मटेरियल लेके आना है, तो ही ऑलवेज सपोर्ट में कि नहीं कोई बात नहीं ऐसे. समटाइम्स आई फील कि इस यहाँ पे इतनी दूर है वो जगह, ऐसे करना है, तो नहीं कि नहीं डोंट वरी, आई एम गोइंग विद यू, आई गो विद यू, एंड मैं तुम्हारे साथ चलता हूँ. And then मतलब he is always with me. And whenever I feel tired, sometimes I want to cry also. कई बार होता है कि नहीं कुछ कर पा रहे हैं, बहुत वो हो गया. So his shoulders is there. So he's always supportive. So I can say my husband is behind me
That is so
along with
wonderful.
my
So, with
children.
that, we can even say that behind every successful woman, also there is a man, and
Man,
behind
yes.
every successful man, there is a woman. So, that's really wonderful that you had such a great support from your family and your kids for sure. Okay, moving ahead. Now, I'm just going to change the questions a little bit. अब मैं आपके सामने दो ऑप्शंस रखने वाली हूँ. टू ऑप्शंस रिलेटेड टू कॉलर, रिलेटेड टू योर वर्क. Out of the two options you need to choose one, okay, and you need to make it quick, and you have to tell us why would you choose the other option upon the first option. Okay, ready?
Ready?
Super. So my first question is men clothing or women clothing,
Men clothing.
and why is that so?
Men clothing because it's women clothing में lots of designers, lots of women's are there. And for men बहुत simple सब कुछ चला आ रहा था, but men के लिए creative करना is more you can say challenge.
Challenging.
Yes, more challenging. So I love challenges. So
Wow.
that's why I want to design men, do
Super.
for men.
I
Yeah.
should say that your husband is also lucky that way.
Yeah,
He must
yeah.
be getting a new outfit every day. Okay.
Yes, yes. He and my son both. Yeah, they
Super.
both कि अब ये फंक्शन है क्या डिजाइन कर रही हो.
Wow. Okay. My next question is designing or marketing. Since you do both designing and also your business involves marketing, so what do you prefer to do? You prefer doing the designing work or the marketing work?
See, right now I'm doing both. I'm doing marketing also myself. I didn't hire any social media person to advertise my brand. I'm handling both of my social media, Instagram and Facebook and LinkedIn also. But still, I love to do designing because that is my passion. Art is my passion, so that I love to do design.
Super. So it's like one man show doing it all so easily, so smoothly. Okay, with that, the next question, what do you enjoy making? Like the corporate outfits or the wedding outfits?
Obviously wedding outfits, because wedding outfit में daily you have to create something new. किसी की बीच पार्टी है, किसी की बीच पार्टी में कुछ और थीम है, तो daily you have to learn and you have to create. So obviously I would love to do wedding.
So nice
Wedding
to hear that. So nice
wedding
to
outfit.
hear that. Okay, with in this session, this is going to be my last question and a little controversial question, maybe. Whom do you prefer more, the male clients or the female clients? Who are easy to work with?
The male clients. Male clients are much easier, and you can say like they convinced easily. Actually, women convinced take time to convince. That is for sure and for true. So I love to मतलब male clients जल्दी convince हो जाते हैं, and they understand like what we are saying, because sometimes ladies have a very strong head कि नहीं ऐसे नहीं ऐसे, they can't, they मतलब कई बार they don't see their body and still they want the best fittings, but men's they realize कि yes we have tummy, तो इतना इतना बल्ज तो आएगा, तो इतना मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो फ्लो और ये सब में थोड़ी दिक्कत आएगी, बट women don't agree कि मोटे हैं और फिटिंग अच्छी नहीं आ रही है, तो so that is the male clients are easier to handle.
A woman can never accept that she is
Yeah,
fat for sure. So I guess that's what makes it difficult for you. I can totally understand that part of it.
yeah,
Okay, moving ahead, they say that charity begins at home. And I mean, of all that I've seen, your website, your social media, the brand Collar is such an active social worker. So if you could just share your experience about this whole social work, because charity and social work is something about profits and losses, like that it has its own special place. So if you could just share us few experience about this social work and how did that begin, because you are an active social worker also.
yeah, sure. Actually, see, मतलब my family, when I opened my eyes, so I was in a family, मैं उस परिवार में हूँ जहाँ पे मैंने अपने दादाजी को लाल बहादुर शास्त्री के साथ सोशल वर्क करते हुए देखा है.
Wow.
So my grandfather used to मतलब was very close to Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. He do lots of social work with him. उन्होंने कोई portfolio नहीं लिया, कोई election नहीं लड़ा, but still he is with him, और and he do all the social work जितना मतलब उनसे बन सकता था. We are old जमींदार्स, तो अपने से जितना contribution मेरे दादाजी से हो सकता था, तो he do that time.
Wow.
Then
Wow.
my father, he expired very early, my grandfather. फिर उसके बाद मैंने अपनी दादी को, अपने फादर को, उसके बाद अपनी मदर को. मेरी मदर बहुत ज्यादा सोशल वर्कर थी, शी इज नॉट नाउ अलाइव. तो उनको मैंने देखा हॉस्पिटल्स में, घर से खाना बनवा के ले जा रही हैं. हम लोगों के बाग होते थे, तो बाग से जैसे फल आ रहे हैं, कुछ हो रहे हैं, तो वो हॉस्पिटल लेके जा रही हैं. वहाँ पे पेशेंट्स को, जो उनकी पेशेंट्स की केयर करने के लिए आए हुए हैं, उन लोगों को बंटवा रही हैं. वो सारी चीजें मतलब मैंने देखी हुई थी सारी. और फिर उसके बाद जब मेरी जहाँ पे शादी हुई, वो दैट हाउस ऑल्सो इज लाइक दैट ओनली. वहां पे भी दैट इज अ वेरी स्मॉल टाउन वेयर आई गेट मैरिड. तो दे हैव वेरी लॉट्स ऑफ स्कूल्स एंड सब चैरिटेबल सारा चलता है, स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस वगैरह. और मेरे फादर इन लॉ तो इतना ज्यादा सोशल वर्कर थे कि गांव में किसी का सुन लिया कि उसकी लड़की की शादी है, सो ही हिमसेल्फ गो देयर एंड मेक अ लिस्ट कि आपको ये सामान चाहिए, ये चाहिए, ऐसे ऐसे चाहिए. एंड तब उस टाइम पे हम लोगों के यहाँ मुनीम जी वगैरह होते थे, तो वो मुनीम जी यूज टू गो एंड डिलीवर द स्टफ एट देयर प्लेसेस. और बहुत बड़े बड़े बर्तन जो शादियों में इस्तेमाल होते हैं, वो सारे बर्तन हम लोगों के यहाँ पे थे, तो वो सारे बर्तन उन लोगों को प्रोवाइड कराने, कि कुछ भी खरीदना नहीं है. उस टाइम पे रेंट वगैरह का ये सब सिस्टम तो था ही नहीं, तो खरीद के ही कोई चीज पूरी की जाती थी. तो वो सब कुछ उन्होंने प्रोवाइड करा रखा था कि किसी की भी लड़की की शादी है या किसी को किसी भी चीज की मदद है, तो वी आर देयर. तो वो चीजें मेरे को मैंने अपने हेरिटेज की सारी अपनी फैमिली से, अपने लॉज से. उसके बाद दिल्ली आके भी फिर मेरे को उतना प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिल रहा था, तो देन आई जॉइन देवदीति. देवदीति इज अ वुमेन, वो फाउंडेशन है उसका सोशल वर्क की. वो ज्वाइन करी. एक जीवा करके है, अभी एक हुई है, तो आई एम अ प्रेसिडेंट देयर इन वेस्ट जोन. तो फिर मैंने वो जीवा ज्वाइन किया. उसमें भी सारा हम लोग सारी विमेन्स को सपोर्ट करते हैं. और मैंने अपना एक 400-500 लेडीज का एक एंटरप्रेन्योर्स का मैंने एक ग्रुप बना रखा है, शी लीड्स के नाम से. तो उसमें भी आई एम डूइंग ओनली सोशल वर्क. आई एम नॉट अर्निंग एनी सिंगल पाए. मैंने फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट फेसबुक एंड व्हाट्सएप पे वो पेज बनाए हुए हैं, एंड वी डू ऑल नेटवर्किंग ओवर देयर. किसी को भी किसी से, एंड दैट इज पैन इंडिया. किसी को कहीं पे किसी से कनेक्ट होना है, कुछ होना है, तो लाइक आई लव डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स, विदाउट चार्जिंग मनी. हर चीज पैसे के लिए नहीं होती ना, मतलब समथिंग यू शुड, you are committed to your social society also. So if you can help them, so you should help. So that is my passion. That social work is also my passion, I can say.
That is so amazing, I should say. And that's when they say कि जितना आप अच्छा करते हो उसे दुगना आपको मिलता है. And I
Yeah,
guess,
givers gain.
oh,
Yes.
exactly, the givers gain, and you've
Yeah.
been doing tremendous, beautiful work, I should say. So I have a question for you. Since you have seen so much in life, since you actually pursued your passion after you got married and after having kids, you learned English, you did it all. So what is this advice that you want to give the women entrepreneurs? Because it's very important these days, since you're even supporting so many women through your social work. So what is one advice you want to give the women entrepreneurs?
Yeah, I want to give one message to women entrepreneurs ki, if you are thinking something, your dreams come true, should come true. So you don't lose your heart, you don't lose your patience, and you should be commitment. ये नहीं कि आज ये काम आज ज्यादा है तो ये काम छोड़ देते हैं. नहीं यार, हमारे पास ठीक है 8 घंटे 10 घंटे होते हैं, बट वी हैव 24 hours for that. So so you, to come your dreams true, you should work. You can do 24 hours also. So
Awesome.
time is not bar. That's what I want to give a message to my all women entrepreneurs.
That's really wonderful advice, I would say, rather. And अब मुझे एक्चुअली मेरी नज़र कब से आपके पीछे जो आपके शोरूम में सब पीसेस लगे हैं उस पे पड़ी हुई है. सो आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस इफ यू कैन गिव अस अ वॉक थ्रू ऑफ योर ब्यूटिफुल स्टोर. इट विल बी रियली नाइस. हम यहाँ पे एक ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग, I mean, doors are open. So if you like any piece, you want to inquire about any beautiful piece of collar, please feel free. So if you could just get a quick walkthrough of the store, it would be really great.
Yeah, sure. So from that corner, just a minute.
Sure.
Yeah. Can you see my stuff?
No, we are not able to see because I guess it's not logged in from the mobile. Yes, we can.
So
Yes.
yeah. So from here, I'm starting to show you my stuff. Yeah. These are sherwanis.
Amazing.
These are all sherwanis.
All the men, please open your eyes and have a good look.
Then this is a lehenga drape for women.
Wow.
And then blazers are there.
Which looks really very nice, very colorful.
And then these are the Jawahar jackets for men.
Wow.
And then here the ladies formal wear.
Okay.
Yeah, this is all ladies formal wear.
Wow.
And then I have a suit length. If someone have a specific ask to choose, like checks chahiye, green mein chahiye, blue mein chahiye, then these are those fabrics along I have.
Wow.
And then these are the shirts, formal shirts, party wear shirts.
Superb.
Yeah, and these are the trousers.
Wonderful.
So everything I have ready also, and I customize also.
Wonderful.
These are the fabrics for shirts.
Wow. It looks really amazing, actually. Believe me.
Yeah.
Like it's like under one roof, all your needs are met. Like you don't have to go anywhere else. Just step into collar and you are sorted. Like
yes, men, women, both.
Exactly.
Even children. So my my client is there, Sohail Bhatia.
Great. We
So
would love to hear from Sohil. So
yeah.
Sohil, if you're with us right now, I guess he will join back probably because
Okay,
Sohil
so
doesn't. Yes, but I would actually,
I think
I would want to mention this. जब आप अपना store का walkthrough दिखा रहे थे, I could see your alma mater Amrita ji wearing a smile throughout. I felt like I could see
okay.
how proud she is because that smile was on her face. And believe me, it looks really wonderful. If you could just show us few pieces also, that would also be great.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
showing it.
yes. So this is my new design, and this is the slant cut, if you can see. And I put the multicolored tassels here.
Wow.
And this is side open, and then I had given a print here.
Okay. If you
See,
could just lift it little. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Lift
okay,
it
just
little.
see.
Yes, yes, we can see it now.
You can see the
Very
prints
smart.
and all. So this
Yes.
is for highlighting, for the detailings, and it's totally with the tassels and all. And like Maharajas, when they come out from the meetings, and then they are the under that their angarkha, heavy wala angarkha, brocades wala angarkha. Under that they used to wear these type of a things. So
Wow.
that kind of a thing I try to give
Create.
my clients for sangeet and all. So this
Wonderful.
I created for sangeet, and it is a tussar color with the rust color detailings.
Super. Super.
So then one more kurta I designed. See if you can see.
Yes, we can see it.
Yes. So there's a slant pocket I had given, slant cut, and there is a metal button here hanging. And then I'll show you the close up. There multicolored thread work is there.
Wow.
Can you see
Interesting.
that?
Now, if you could just bring it
It's
a
like
little closer.
little closer.
Yeah, just to see the thread work. Yes. Yes, 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 yes,
So
yes.
it is all multicolored thread, not a single color thread. So this thread work took like 6-7 days to do that, because
Wow.
accordingly all sleeves पे अलग color का effect है, सामने में अलग color का effect है, इस sleeve पे अलग है, and back में अलग color की threading है.
Wow.
ग्रे ग्रे फैब्रिक है जिसको मैंने कलरफुल किया है थ्रेड वर्क से.
Wow.
हिंदी में अगर हम बोले तो लाइक इन टेक्निकल उसमें धगाई करके
Correct, correct, correct. Got
उस
it.
तरीके से आई हैड मेड दिस.
Super.
And in the same style I made a formal shirt also for cocktails. Can you see this?
Yes, we can.
So blue collars, blue patti with the red pipings,
Mm-hmm.
and again with the thread work in a different shape. Sleeves पे
Mm-hmm.
गोल कलर से गोल धागे से धगाई है,
Super.
and front पे it's a slant.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see?
Yes, 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 we can, we can. If you could, yeah, just this. Huh. Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes, yes, yes.
in a different color. So then I designed a beach party shirt.
Wow.
So it's a very colorful, very funky, very
Yes.
quirky type of a design for beach party.
Goa feels, pura Goa feels there.
Yeah, and for young boys,
Correct, correct, correct,
and
correct.
with the white shorts, if they team up with the white
Yes,
shorts, they
definitely
look
a pool party
amazing.
look.
Yes, yes, yes.
Superb.
So this I make for this sherwani. I don't know will it visible or not.
Yeah, now it is. Yes.
So this I make this design with my own hands and khaka and all.
Wow.
Sara kuch.
Wow.
And this is tone and tone embroidery with the white crepe pe white velvet work.
Superb.
So it's all tone and tone, and
Superb.
all handwork with the French knots. I don't know. You can is it visible? Can you
Yes,
see
we
the
can see
French
it. We can.
knots and all?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes, yes.
So this is for
Wow.
grooms. Yeah, I create. And one more that Nowadays, like ikat is very much in fashion.
Correct. Yes. That's a very, very beautiful piece.
Yeah, so this is a double ikat. Sleeves are plain on with a velvet क्योंकि वो बहुत too much हो जाता men के
Hmm,
लिए.
hmm, hmm, hmm.
And then I put the jewel buttons on this.
Hmm. Oh,
Can you see the buttons?
yes, yes, yes.
These are the jewel buttons to enhance it.
Superb.
And the real zari border is also there.
Wow. Wow. Superb.
Then again, I designed a blazer in a raw silk. Can you see the motif?
Yes, yes, we can. We
All
can.
are the different motifs. कोई भी motif मैंने repeat नहीं किया है.
Wow.
सारे अलग अलग motifs. I draw it myself. I make kakas and then I give to my karigar to do it.
My God. Can I know how long does it take for one piece for you to, I mean, get it ready? Like,
See on the sleeves there are different flowers. In the neck, see in the back there are different flowers.
correct, correct.
Can you see the back
Yes,
also?
yes, 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 we can, we can.
आप पकड़ लो शिवानी जी. हाँ, ऐसे पकड़ के आप खड़े रहो. So, and this also took like 15 to 20 days. First I designed and then my karigar also take like 10 to 12 days to make this place.
Wow, wow.
And this is in pure raw silk. So like
Super.
groom himself, क्योंकि कई लोग होते हैं शेरवानी नहीं पहननी by to waist.
Correct,
So groom himself can wear, groom's father can wear, bride's father can wear. So
correct.
this is the thing, like it is a value to money. And raw
Wow.
silk kabhi bhi, generally I design like the things should not waste.
करेक्ट वो वापस कहीं पहन सकते
Actually,
हैं
हाँ.
करेक्ट
तो मेरी डिजाइनिंग ज्यादातर हमारे हेरिटेज के साथ और हैंडलूम्स के साथ होती है. सो टू प्रोवाइड हेल्प देम ऑल्सो. जितना हम रॉ सिल्क और हैंडलूम खरीदेंगे उनको हेल्प जाएगी
करेक्ट
वीवर्स को.
करेक्ट
सो मैंने जितना स्टफ दिखाया था आपने देखा होगा कि जनरली सारा उसी चीज पे मैं काम करती हूँ ताकि वीवर्स को भी हेल्प होए, हमें भी हेल्प होए और वो कभी डंप नहीं होता. दे नेवर
करेक्ट
गोज आउट ऑफ फैशन.
करेक्ट
फॉर द क्लाइंट आल्सो इट्स वैल्यू टू मनी
करेक्ट
रॉ सिल्क
करेक्ट
के साथ में. सो
करेक्ट
जनरली आई वर्क विद दोस फैब्रिक्स.
सुपर्ब I actually should say that after seeing this walkthrough and seeing all your pieces, three things. Every piece at Collar is unique. Like it is so different and so unique that every piece tells a story. टू अगर किसी के घर पे शादी है कहीं मत जाओ just come to Collar, your pool party, your sangeet, your wedding, everything is sorted at just one place. You will not have to go anywhere else because you have an outfit for every occasion there. And three, the thing that you told that you are choosing your material and doing the work so that weavers get work, that is so kind and so thoughtful because you are thinking not just about you but a community of people out there. So I'm sure that people who are buying from Collar in a way indirectly are contributing to the weavers of our country. So that is really very very thoughtful. And I should say the pieces ke liye to matlab there's no word. Like I just want to give a round of applause for all the pieces and the showroom. I mean it looks really very outstanding. एंड द थॉट आई मीन मेरे को ये पूछना है रात दिन आप सिर्फ डिजाइन्स के बारे में ही सोचते हो लाइक आई मीन इज देयर एनी टाइम व्हेन यू टेक अ ब्रेक और इज इट ओनली डिजाइन्स ऑन योर माइंड
Yes, you can say because I hardly sleep because I'm a very light sleeper. रात को 12-1 बजे सोती हूँ और 4 साढ़े 4 बजे मैं उठ जाती हूँ.
माय गॉड
My mind start working.
माय गॉड वाओ एंड दिस आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी जब आप किसी को मिलते हो तो पहले उनके कपड़े ही देखते हो
Obviously, my eyes goes there.
Superb, superb. Okay, so one question that I want to ask you, what is the USP of the brand Collar? Like what makes Collar different from the other brands and all the other showrooms?
See, again, that my question will be, my answer will be that this is my passion, design, and this is Collar is my baby. मैंने बहुत मेहनत से इसको खड़ा करा है. तो like my USP is कि आई कीप पेशेंस. जब मेरे पास क्लाइंट आता है मैं बड़ी पेशेंटली उनसे सुनती हूँ वो क्या चाहते हैं, कैसा बनवाना चाहते हैं, क्या उनका पॉकेट साइज है, सब कुछ उसके हिसाब से देन आई डिजाइन अकॉर्डिंग टू देम कि कैसे इसको डिजाइन करें, कैसे इनकी पॉकेट फ्रेम में भी आ जाए, वो अच्छा भी लगे, उनके ऊपर सूट भी करे. So and again, that I have staff, but I don't let my staff to attend the client. For that purpose, I am there. I give that personal touch. मैं वो personal touch देती हूँ, वो warmth देती हूँ client को कि you are in a safe hands. Don't worry. What is your pocket size? What is your requirements? What is your event? I'll make the everything according to you. So that is my USP. That is I feel I'm different with from the other brands because generally store managers are handling the clients. I don't know to do that. I don't want to do. So वो मैं फिर खुद ही अपने आप attend करके and then I give them personal touch. And
That
fittings के time पे भी I take personal interest and fittings के time पे भी I'm there always with my master.
Wow, that is really wonderful. I would rather say that. Like, so there is this one iron lady that we have who is handling everything all so smoothly, all so nicely, with such kindness and also such brightness, I would say, and smartness indeed. So, all the people who are watching us, if you want a budget friendly, a beautiful piece, a designer piece, you know that which is the place that you have to go to without any doubt. So we have the collar showroom and you can connect to Mridula ji. We're going to share her contact information for all of you who are watching. So please make a note of the number we have given you. We're providing you with the number itself. If not, you want, you can have a look at the website also, or connect with her on Facebook or Instagram. I don't think there is any doubts left after looking at those amazing gorgeous pieces. हमने आपको एक virtual tour दे दिया है उनकी showroom का. So all you need to do is just connect with her and order your pieces for the upcoming wedding season. And like you saw, she will herself make those beautiful pieces. So what more do you want? So Mridula ji, I mean, today मैंने आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है that age is no bar, and if you are hardworking, nothing can ever stop you, and nothing can in fact also be any kind of hurdle. I love the fact how you have that smile on face and you have learned and done such wonderful work. We only wish that collar grows bigger and bigger, and we wish you lot and lot of success is what we're going to wish you. And if there is any questions that any of you have for Mridula ji, to our viewers, anything about the collection, about her, please feel to type in. We will definitely take your question. So if you have any questions, you can please shoot the questions in the chat box. We see a lot of love is coming your way, like a lot of love, a lot of compliments. Excellent design, hardworking, very presentable, very creative,
Thank you.
amazing
Thanks a lot.
designs and creations. Preserving the dying art of weaving, says Neeraj ji. Wow. So do we have any questions? I guess आपने इतने अच्छे से explain कर दिया है अपने pieces के बारे में और इतनी information दे दी है.
I think one of the ladies raising her hand. So.
Sure. If we have some question, we can. Yes, we can. Amrita ji wants to. Yes, Amrita ji.
Hello all, I would like to share my experience with Mridula ji. She was so dedicated. She was so dedicated that she had become a help to me. She would quickly learn her bit and then she would be teaching the others. While I was teaching one half of the class, she was teaching the other half because it is a practical course. So she would be very hardworking, helpful, and always sitting in the first bench and a very good follower. Cheers to her. I knew one day she would make it. Very nice.
Thank
Very
you,
nice.
ma'am. Thank you. That's been a lot. That हाँ बहुत मेरे लिए मायने रखता है आपका.
बिल्कुल. Or today also she is live in my eyes. How she would, always smiling, hardworking, smiling, genuine person.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Mridula ji, getting such a compliment from your own teacher, मतलब और लाइफ में कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. This is it. This is what I mean we all work for, so that our gurus, we can make them proud. And I can already see that bright smile and that spark in her when she's talking about you. So I am so glad, and we are thankful to Amrita ji to give us Mridula ji. So thank you both of you. Thank you both of you. It was so wonderful. So thank you so much, Mridula ji, once again, and all the very best. You are truly a rock star for us. आप ऐसे ही हंसते रहिए, and we only wish more and more success, and this kind heart of yours, we only wish a healthy life and safe. Just make sure that you're safe, and I am sure that nobody can ever stop you. पैंडेमिक हो या कोई भी हो, जिसको आपने ऑलरेडी एक छोटी प्रॉब्लम बता दिया है, so I think there's nothing that can stop you at all. So we wish you lots and lots and lots of success. It was such a privilege for me to interview you today, and I am taking back a lot of learnings. You truly have become an inspiration for me, so thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Neeti, to give me opportunity to
Super.
talk with you. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. So that was Global Wedding Network's Know Your Members series. So if anything, please connect with Mridula ji for all your outfit requirements. Thank you, everybody, for joining in. Thank you so much.